to pick the right stock. Imagine investing in a stock today and watching it grow 2 times, 5 times, even 10 times over time. Sounds exciting, right? But here's the problem. Most beginners pick stocks based on tips, news, or hype and lose money. So how do you actually choose the right stock? Stock picking isn't luck, it's a skill. And in this video, you'll learn a simple step-by-step method anyone can use, even if you're a beginner. Understand the business before buying any stock. Ask this: do I understand this company? What does it sell? How does it make money? Is it a growing industry? For example, if you use a company's product daily, chances are it has strong demand. Simple rule: if you don't understand it, don't invest in it. Check financial health. A good company must have strong financial. Look at these 3 basics. Revenue growth. Is the company earning